So for today's project, we're going to make DIY safety pin necklace. So the materials that we need are safety pins. So safety pins in different sizes, or if you can find safety pins in different colors, you can use that too. And beads, some chains, and pliers. So here's the first design. So if you can find a larger safety pin, you can use that, but this is the largest that I saw in the bookstore where I bought this. So the first design is, I'm going to add more safety pin here. Oops. So let's open it up and then add more pins in it, like so. So here's the first design. Now in our second design, I'm going to use a smaller safety pin, and of course in different color. But if you like to use the same color, you can do that too, but in smaller size. So here is the second design. So I use different color at the bottom, and the pin is smaller than this one. So if you don't have a colored safety pin, you can use silver or gold as well, again, but in smaller size. The sample of what I said earlier, that you can use the same color but in smaller size of safety pin. So here, as you can see, this one is smaller than this one. So let's see how it looks. So here, so this is design number 3. So here's design number 4. So it's a combination of colored and gold safety pin. So see, so as you can see, the black one is smaller than the gold. So here's design number 5. So as you can see, I used gold on both sides, and I used the colored or black safety pin. So here's another design. So I just added a larger safety pin on both ends. See? Now here I'm using beads. So if you're using a larger safety pins, you may use a larger bead. But since my safety pin is small, so I use seed beads. So here, I'm going to use my colored safety pins. So here's another design, combination of safety pins and beads. So now another design, I'm going to use same color of pin. So I'm using is gold safety pin in smaller size and beads again. So this time I'm going to add pin first and then bead, pin, and then bead, pin, and then bead. So here's another design. So it's a combination of two colors of safety pins and beads. So first I added 3 beads and then a gold safety pin and then the block, the gold, and then the 3 safety pins and the 3 seed beads. So here's another design. So same as the last that I showed you. So I just added 2 larger safety pins here and here. See? So this is just the few designs that I just came up with. So I'm pretty sure you can come up with your own designs and styles. So just let your imagination run, just be creative, let your creativity flows. So now let's proceed on adding chains. So I wish I have a gold chain, but the only spare chain that I have is in silver. So I'm going to use the chain that I use in my DIY butterfly bunting necklace, because this is the extra chain that I have right now. So I'm just going to grab my pliers and remove my chain. So if you want to learn how I made this butterfly bunting necklace, I'll give you the link. So here I just added is chomp ring that I just made. So I'm going to add it here. So here I added my jump ring there, and then I'll add one end of my chain. Oops. There. My chain. Then close it up. Then close it. The hook that you use is smaller. You can just insert it there on the loop or at the end of your pin there. So if you want to learn how I made this hook here, you can search for a video tutorial in YouTube, or you can watch my DIY bunting necklace. So I showed there how I made this hook. Push it a little, like so, and then So how I wish I have a gold chain. It will look much better with gold chain. But again, this is all I have right now. So here's the finished look. Hope you guys liked it. Please visit and subscribe to my channel for more DIY projects. Thanks for watching. Bye!